Ustedes ven una serie de formuleos, la matemática, la física. Si alguien quiere crear un robot, como el de las películas o como el que se puede ver, hay que entender que hay que saber matemática, hay que saber física, hay que saber química, que todo es necesario. Estuvimos con el ITBA también conociendo el departamento de robótica, cuáles son las últimas creaciones, y este es el resultado.
Well, robotics is usually perceived as the intelligent connection of perception to action. So this tells a lot of things. Basically, you have complex systems, and people usually think of a robot like a humanoid, like an android, but the definition is much broader, because there might be other types of systems which do not necessarily look like anthropomorphic, that they are at all effect robotic systems. So the main connotation of a robotic system is the integration of motion with sensor and intelligence.
¿Qué implicancias tiene hoy la robótica en la vida humana?
Robots were usually employed for manufacturing plants. This is the old use of robots, and this is the industrial robotics as it was developed mainly in the 70s and 80s. But the main challenge with the advent of more powerful computing and sensor and algorithm and control technology, robots have started to be used outside of the factories. So this is the case of the so-called field robotics. The main interest of research in robotics around the change of the new millennium is robots for services. So in one word, we would say robots for better life. As you said in your questions, robots for humans. And here the challenge is not only to make robots interact with humans in a safe and dependable way, but also to address some legal, societal and ethical issues about the acceptability of robots by human beings. Will one day trust robots to look after our children? Will I be happy when I become older to have a robotic caregiver other than a human caregiver? But as you mentioned, robotics has also a lot of good implications for medicine, for rehabilitation. There are a lot of good uses of robotics to believe that in 50 years from now, robots will become, as I will be talking today, so pervasive to become a sort of disappearing technology. And we will accept robots in the same way as now we have accepted computers in our daily life.
En el futuro, ¿el robot vendría a ser una competencia con respecto a lo laboral para el ser humano?
Actually, this is a usual paradigm that people believe that because of robots there will be less jobs. This is not quite the case, because there are certain jobs which are quite repetitive and also boring and dangerous. I give another example. I don't know the statistics here in Argentina, but in Italy, for the construction industry, more than 500 people are killed every year because maybe they fall down from a scaffold, just working in construction. Why not use robots? So it's just improving the quality of the jobs. That doesn't necessarily mean that when we will have more robots, we will have fewer jobs.
En TN Ciencia una pausa y enseguida más para sorprendernos.